my YouTube channel Jago India. Today I am going to say you a few facts about our present 7 wonders of the world. Do you know that the 7 new wonders of the world were selected by the voting system from all the countries, and all ancient monuments were eligible, but only these were selected for few reasons. And now coming to the 7 wonders, first one is our favorite Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a symbol of love and located in India, Agra. Emperor Shah Jahan built this wonder in honor of his beloved wife Mumtaz and called it as Mumtaz Mahal. And it is a white structure which was built by white marble and took more than 20,000 laborers and 1,000 elephants to complete this construction, and it was started in the year 1632. And the next interesting monument is the Great Wall of China, and this is located in China, totaling more than 13,000 miles in length. And the Great Wall of China is an ancient series of walls and fortifications. It was built to keep invaders from crossing its northern border, and it is such a long construction that it is the longest wall constructed in the world, and it is a great and it is very longest wall in the world. And the next one is the beautiful construction Machu Picchu, which is located in Peru. Machu Picchu is an Incan city located in the Andes Mountains in Peru above the Urubamba River Valley. According to historians, it was built in 15th century by Inca Pichatiket, and this site itself is an earthquake-prone area, but the stones in these buildings bounce through the tremors and then fall back to the place, keeping this place intact for years. Strange, right? And not only this, we can see this wonder in one scene of a Song of Robo movie. And the next wonder comes Roman Colosseum, and which is located in Rome. This is an elegant ancient city, and Roman Colosseum was built around 80 AD, and it can accommodate 50,000 people in sterile seating. You will feel like you are in the seats of Gladiator movie once you enter this place. It is an amazing spot apart from the destructions caused by the earthquakes. And the next one comes Christ the Redeemer statue, which is located in the Brazil. This statue was constructed between 1922 and 1931. This 98 feet tall iconic statue is made to neutralize the increasing sinful nature of the Republic of Brazil, which had separated church from state in 1889. This is depicted as a symbol of peace. And then comes the Petra, which is located in Jordan city. Petra is an ancient stone complex built by the Nabateans situated in Jordan southwestern desert. It is believed to have established around 300 BC, located in the south of Jordan between the Dead Sea and the Red Sea. Petra is the longest drive from Amman, and it was a forgotten city which was rediscovered by Swiss explorers in 1812. And this architectural wonder is carved directly into the pink sandstone cliffs forces, creating a fantastic view for the visitors. And the last wonder of the world is Chichen Itza, located in Mexico City, dating to 1600 AD. Chichen Itza is the largest and famous pyramid in the Yucatan Peninsula. Visit on March 21st, the spring equinox, to visit the renowned serpent effect on the main pyramid.